Good morning, students. Let's come back to unit number 19, water. In this video, we are going to learn exercise about this chapter. In the previous video, we have learned question number 1, hard words. Now we are going to start with question number 2. Answer the following questions. Number 1. Why do we need water? Answer is very simple. We need water to live. Second, where does rainwater go? Answer, rainwater flows into lakes and ponds. Why should water be cleaned? Why should water be cleaned? Answer is, water should be cleaned because it contains dirt and germs. Number 4. How is water cleaned? How is water cleaned? Answer is, water is cleaned by filtering and adding chemicals that kills the germ. Name the 3 ways to save water. Answer, number 1, close tap after use. Number 2, reuse water from kitchen to water the plants. Number 3, do not waste water. Next question is, name the 3 ways by which we pollute water. Answer may be vary. You can write your own answers also. Here I have written number 1, washing clothes in river. Number 2, releasing chemicals in rivers. Number 3, throwing waste in water. This causes water pollution. Now let's move towards the next exercise. Question number 3. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. Dash is very precious. What is very precious? Answer is water. Water is very precious. Dash has harmful substances and germs. Answer is polluted water has harmful substances and germs. Number 3. Dash, dash and steam are 3 forms of water. Answer is solid, liquid and steam are 3 forms of water. Allowing the rainwater to flow into pits is called dash. Answer is rainwater harvesting. For correct and write cross for incorrect. First, when we heat water, it becomes ice. When we heat water, children, at that time, water vapor comes out from the water. So, this is wrong statement. When we heat water, water vapor comes out. And when we put water in freezer, then it becomes ice. So, we will write here cross. Second, ice melt to become water. This is true. So, tick mark. When water dries, it becomes water vapor. That is wrong, children. When water gets heat, it becomes water vapor. So here cross mark will come. We can see steam rising up from boiling water. This is correct. Children, you can see, you can try. When we boil water, when your mother boils water, at that time you can see the steam rising up from that boiling water. So here tick mark will come because this is correct statement. Next, question number 5. Unscramble the words. Number 1. TERWA is WATER water. IARN is RAIN rain. Number 3. RET SAM is STREAM stream. Next, DOULC is CLOUD cloud. Next, CIE is ICE ice. Children, fill question number 2, 3 and 4 in your textbook and write down question number 5. Unscramble the words in your notebook. Thank you very much. Stay home, stay safe.